Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable lock instantly with the side key in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. When you one press this side button, immediately screen will be locked. Okay, see here. Yes, it is locked. If you want to disable this, if you want to turn off this option, yes, you can do it. What you do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, then go to secure lock settings and try your current pattern for authentication, and here turn off this button lock instantly with side key. Now hereafter, if you one press this side key, your phone screen will be locked immediately. Only screen will off, but if you again press immediately, it will turn on. Okay, after 5 seconds only it will be locked, because this settings is on auto lock, then screen turns off. Okay, now screen only turns off, and after 5 seconds maybe surely your screen will be locked if you have set lock screen password. Okay, see here, now probably you should have crossed 5 seconds. Now screen is locked. Okay, but within that 5 seconds, if you one press, then it will not lock, only screen will off. Okay, because this button is turned off. If you want to enable this option, that is, if you want to immediately lock screen with side key, then you go to turn on this button, and then if you press this lock button, that is side button, and immediately within fraction of second it will be locked. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable lock instantly with the side key in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.